Yeah. Hey, my boy. Hello, my boy. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh. Oh, why? 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 Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, my baby. My baby, my baby. Oh. Why? Oh. I'm sorry. Oh, his mom is getting hungry and angry somebody, I don't know. Oh my god. I'm so sad. Oh. Oh my baby. Oh, oh my baby. Oh my godness. Where my baby? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, your mom is make you hurt. I'm sorry. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I cannot protect you. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Are you hurt? I'm sorry. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh my boy, I'm sorry. And now you better? Now is you better right now? Oh, the brother is still support them. I support him during he getting hurt. Oh my god, my boys, I'm sorry. You really hurt, I understand that. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, now he's better. He's feeling bad. Oh my god. He's cannot smile and play with the brother. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm sorry. Hey boy, are you feeling better? I hope you better soon and play back with your brother. Oh yeah, yeah, maybe he can play back. He can play back. Oh, oh my god, oh my god, he can play back. Oh, now it's better already. Oh, I'm sorry. Please mention the name and why he hit her kid like this. I don't know why. Oh, oh my god, it's so lovely. Oh. Oh, slowly, slowly, my boy, slowly. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, okay, you do it. Okay, sexy fool.